Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Facebook post. So let's dive in. Open to your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, you come to your post here. Click on your create story, and when you click on create story, you look at this now. Click on the picture you wanted to create. So I'm going to click on there's my. Oh, let's wait. I want to choose the picture that I wanted to use. So I'm going to choose. Okay, this is it. I'm going to choose this one now. Click on this. I want to choose on this. Click on this and let's go. Click on your sticker to see if there's a link, but there's no a link sticker here. So you're going to go back to your Instagram. You go to your Instagram here and look. You are not going to use your Instagram Lite, so you're going to use your original Instagram. So click on your story. When you click on your story, this is it. Click on post story here. Click on post. Then go and choose the one you wanted to post. So I'm going to click on the gallery. So let's look for what we wanted to post. Sorry guys. Let's click my gallery. Yeah, let's look for it. I'm looking for what I wanted to post. A story. Okay, so this is it. A Pixabay. This is it. So let's click on this now. And you come to the sticker. When you come to the sticker here, you can say click on link. Then paste the link that you have already copied. Click on done. Then move it. Move the link here. Move it the way you want to move it. Then see, click on next. You can see, and you click on share. Click on done. Then this is your story. Your story is uploading. You wait for your story to upload first. Then click on your story. This is it. Then click on share, and you can go and click on your Facebook. Click on Facebook and click on new feeds. Then automatically your story, just click on next. Click on next here and click on post, and you have automatically post your story on Facebook. So let's go back to our Facebook to go and see the picture that will have a link added to it. So let's go back to your Facebook, and this is it. Let's go back to our Facebook. We're going to see the link here now. Sorry. So this is the Facebook. Okay, you can see. Just click on it and they'll be able to watch it with a link. So if you guys find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.